I am the Vice President of Solutions Engineering for Creative Technology. We're a global live events company specializing in audio, video, and lighting to support everything from an intimate internal town hall up to a multi-stage international broadcast and everything in between. The unique thing about live events is you don't get a second take. They have to be perfect, and really monitoring is essential to delivering those productions. We started in early 2020. Now the live events world's been flipped on its head, and suddenly you've got a bunch of engineers that are used to doing live events with baseband signals that are now being tasked with being IP engineers. So we needed a solution that could give those engineers the same monitoring tools, the same visibility that they had in those baseband environments to enable them to support these virtual productions. With the return to live events, we wanted to leverage all the knowledge that we'd gained in the IP space. Of course, the demands are a little bit different for on-site live production, and we needed uncompressed workflows. The obvious answer there is 2110. Learning that TAG supported 2110 natively made it a no-brainer. The engineers are already familiar with the interface, familiar with the operation, and it has the flexibility that we can use it in either compressed or uncompressed workflows, or in hybrids of the two. The QC and analysis tools are critical for us in being able to quickly identify the source of issues and coming up with a fast resolution. The QC station is an important tool for the engineers, allowing them to validate everything from the audio channel mapping to the visual integrity of the picture, the source IP addresses, and other critical timing information. The metrics and the status indicators available in the QC tool have helped us to identify problems before they're evident to the production. The single largest advantage to TAG for us is the flexibility and the ability for us to deploy it across a variety of workflows and maintain a unified operator experience and visual interface, so they're not trying to manage multiple systems. The flexibility that's offered by the zero friction license lets us deploy the solution on tiny events that are 2 live streaming channels up to a global product launch that might have dozens of signals and everything in between. Having the permanent license allows us to budget CapEx against our expected requirements, but having the flexibility to spin up additional channels on demand for a low hourly cost gives us a lot of flexibility to cover unexpected events or last-minute additions. As the IP convergence continues to accelerate and the scale of these events continues to grow, flexible solutions, software-defined or otherwise, are really key in being able to meet those engineering challenges.